Kenya Airways is facing technical turbulence. It's not a pilot shortage, it's an engine problem. Specifically, a significant portion of its long-haul fleet, the Boeing 787 Dreamliner, is grounded. The core technical issue is a severe delay in engine maintenance and overhaul. The global supply chain, disrupted since the pandemic, is starved of specialized spare parts. This has caused a 20% to 33% reduction in KQ's wide-body capacity. The lack of parts means engines can't complete their scheduled MRO maintenance, repair, and overhaul cycles on time. An aircraft on the ground for maintenance isn't just an empty seat. It's a massive opportunity cost and a direct financial strain. This technical capacity crunch translates directly into a working capital shortfall. With fewer aircraft flying, revenue generation is constrained, making it difficult to cover fixed costs like lease payments and payroll. The solution, therefore, is a major capital raising program. KQ aims to raise at least $500 million. This isn't just for day-to-day operations. It's a structural necessity to fund fleet modernization and expansion. They are actively seeking a strategic equity investor. This is a specific type of investor who doesn't just provide capital but also offers technical and operational expertise. This partnership is crucial for enhancing efficiency and securing better long-term financial terms. To bridge the immediate gap, KQ secured a short-term bridge loan from local commercial banks. This capital is a stopgap measure, essentially buying time to acquire necessary spare parts and potentially lease temporary narrow-body aircraft for regional routes. The ultimate technical goal is to expand the fleet to over 60 aircraft by 2030. This kind of ambitious expansion requires massive upfront capital, which is why the successful execution of the $500 million capital raise is an absolute necessity for the airline's long-term solvency and growth trajectory. Kenya Airways is in a technical race against time, successfully navigating a global supply chain crisis while securing a strategic financial partner. The outcome will determine the future of its operations as a major player in African aviation. Thanks for watching.